From Midnight's Children. 32 years before the transfer of power, my grandfather bumped his nose against Kashmiri earth. There were rubies and diamonds. There was the ice of the future waiting beneath the water's skin. There was an oath not to bow down before God or man. The oath created a hole, which would temporarily be filled by a woman behind a perforated sheet. A boatman who had once prophesied dynasties lurking in my grandfather's nose ferried him angrily across a lake. There were blind landowners and lady wrestlers. And there was a sheet in a gloomy room. On that day, my inheritance began to form. The blue of Kashmiri sky, which dripped into my grandfather's eyes. The long sufferings of my great-grandmother, which would become the forbearance of my own mother, and the late steeliness of Nasim Aziz. My great-grandfather's gift of conversing with birds, which would descend through meandering bloodlines into the veins of my sister, the brass monkey. The conflict between grand-paternal skepticism and grand-maternal credulity, and, above all, the ghostly essence of that perforated sheet, which doomed my mother to learn to love a man in segments, and which condemned me to see my own life, its meanings, its structures, in fragments also, so that by the time I understood it, it was far too late.